Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use pinch to zoom gesture on Magic Keyboard's trackpad on your iPad Pro M5. Pinch to zoom feature on your trackpad works in the same way that it works on your touchpad. Therefore, all you have to do is navigate to the place that you want to zoom, then pinch your fingers like this and then spread them apart to zoom in, or keep them spread and pinch them to zoom out. Since this feature works the same way that it does on a touchpad, it only works in those applications where which are supported for this feature with a touchpad. So, for example, you cannot do this thing on your home screen, just like you cannot do this on your touchpad. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.